Assuring product quality with standard recipes, flexibly adapting recipes to price and availability, and saving up to 5% of the material costs. CSB Recipe Optimization calculates for you the optimal combination of your products completely automatically, in accordance with the quality standards you define. Based on the production planning, recipe optimization can be performed at a preliminary stage before the procurement process for the components in your planned recipes. The planning horizons of long, mid, and short-term production planning are taken into consideration. The CSB optimization procedure allows you to respond quickly and flexibly to the fluctuations in raw material prices. As a result, you will obtain the optimum raw material combinations for your planned recipes. This enables the economical procurement of all required components and improves the margins of your products. When there are unexpected changes in the production process, for example, due to malfunctions in the production processes or special short-notice orders, you are able to respond flexibly and to quickly initiate the necessary component exchange in batching. To do so, you simply run the recipe optimization based on the components available in stock. Raw materials that are in stock with too high or too low quantities are supplied to the recipes to be optimized with higher or lower quantity percentages. As a result, you maintain control of your stock on hand. The analytical minimum or maximum requirements for the recipe are defined as restrictions in the master data. The raw materials available in the market or the recipe components in stock that are ready for use, and the market or inventory prices form the basis for the model calculation. For each of these standardized raw materials, a binding component analysis is available that is incorporated in the optimization calculation. You can use the recipe optimization for a single recipe or as a batch optimization for the entire product range, depending on the scenario. The algorithm by CSB uses the analytical and sensory requirements as well as the additives defined in the bill of materials and the anticipated production losses. The CSB system applies the results of the optimization as the economically ideal recipe. Direct comparisons of the recipe before and after the optimization calculation provide a transparent view of the cost savings. In the production planning and control process, material procurement planning and material supply procedures are initiated directly based on the optimized recipe. All price information is incorporated in cost accounting and marginal costing. The integrated optimization of the recipes directly in the work preparation process ensures flexibility without additional work. This helps you to effectively cut costs. CSB Recipe Optimization calculates the best recipe with standardized quality in line with the quality tolerances defined by you. The optimized recipes can be manufactured from a multitude of alternative raw material combinations. CSB Recipe Optimization reduces the material costs of all productions with a variable component input. As a result, you can save as much as 5%.